I hope you take this as a compliment because it's intended that way. I looked at the Tula website before this meeting, and Dr. Raj is there as the founder, not the co-founder or part of the team. And so eventually, somewhere along the lines, you, I'm assuming, decided that you're okay not taking the limelight for this company. And it seems to be a theme or a vein that I picked up on throughout our conversation. You were quick to share equity. You were quick to give a really favorable terms to your friends and family. All these things are it seems to me pointing to somebody who doesn't need to have the spotlight all the time. Am I picking up on something that's true?
Yeah, yeah, I think that's right. In my case, when I build these businesses, success for me is I have no ego. I check my ego out the door, but success is really about the we, not the me. And if we win, if we are successful, and I can see all the people do amazing things as a result of a small role that I played, that is massively successful. In the case of Tula, also, it would have been pretty confusing to tell the market a
Yeah.
story in which I am a figurehead of this brand. It was much simpler for Roshini to be the figurehead. So I remember even a few years ago, we, or really she, was on the cover of Entrepreneur Magazine telling this story. And that, and when you read the articles, surely in the first sentence or two, you hear and see me and my partner. But whatever, it was amazing. I didn't really care so long as we were successful. That ultimately is what mattered to me.